Hello guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Now if you have not taken the time to do so already, do me a big favor and please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot, and also let me know that you're liking the videos. Speaking of videos, go and take a look at some of our previous videos. You guys, I have videos on just about like every single topic, and we are actually expanding from there. Alright guys, in today's video, let's have a look at Terrazzo home decor. Now, if the name Terrazzo doesn't really ring any bells with you, let me start by telling you what it is. It's basically a composite material poured in place with small pieces of marble and quartz and granite and glass and anything else. Now these one-of-a-kind chips create a distinct look and style that you actually might remember from the 70s and 80s. I don't know if you all have noticed or not, but Terrazzo has slowly been sneaking back into the home design world, and it is becoming the new it trend to try. And I say new and it trend, and it's so funny because I already told you that it was really big in the 70s and part of the 80s as well. So even though this is nothing new in the world of design, it's really cool and exciting to see something circle back and becoming really chic again. We've talked in previous videos how I may do a video about boho chic or shabby chic, and you guys are saying, hey, I've had this style for 40 years. So it's really interesting how things can just circle back. Now, I know not everyone will be eager or excited to really invest a lot of money into switching out your floors and walls and countertops, especially on a home design trend that, has the potential to go out as fast as it comes back in. But I have pulled together some really different ways to use the Terrazzo style in your home that won't break your bank. Everything from flooring and wallpaper, pill and stick wallpaper, to then just using the Terrazzo style in the form of wall art and also small accessories placed around your home. It will still give you the look of it without having to change out anything big or major. Alright, so I showed you some examples of using Terrazzo actually as the flooring, but now I want to show you about using Terrazzo on the walls or your islands or your backsplashes, just other ways that you can creatively use this style. Now, it doesn't have to be the typical like neutral type Terrazzo. There's different colors, there's different styles you can use. There's different sizes of the specs in there. You can completely customize this look, and if even doing this is not for you, if this is too much, then I would suggest artwork. You see, like you could have a very neutral background and pieces of art like this, like on your walls or on your cabinets, backsplash, whatever. It will just really brighten up your look without becoming too overwhelming. Pill and stick is another great option, so you can get a couple of panels of pill and stick wallpaper, decide to use it on tables, chairs, just anything to give you that look without it being just super permanent. Now, if even that is too much, you can still absolutely add this style to your home. Usage like shower curtains, coasters, bookends, actual book covers, like wall art. I mean, there's so many cheap and inexpensive things that you can get in this pattern. Even things for your desk, like these really cool pencils I saw. I thought this was just gorgeous, so cute, and would look great in your home office. So many different ways that you can actually style this home design style. So do me a favor and comment your favorite usage of this Terrazzo style down below in the comment section, or let me know if you would have this look in your home. I want to know what your favorite was, or if you would have this. If you want to know mine, it's this gorgeous room right here. I actually didn't care for Terrazzo at first a couple of years ago, but it's kind of warming up on me. I kind of like it. What do you think? As always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.